Welcome to the sanctuary of color, where the future of beauty begins in our state-of-the-art green lab precision facility nestled in nature. Our journey starts as our lead scientist enters the heart of the laboratory, a place where art and advanced science perfectly converge today. With a simple touch, the 48-hour countdown begins, activating a symphony of machines designed to create the ultimate herbal lipstick for you. Every step is monitored by experts who ensure that nature's finest ingredients are handled with the utmost care and technological precision during production. Inside this modern Pangea, we bridge the gap between organic, botanical wisdom and the cutting-edge capabilities of modern cosmetic engineering and research. The harmony of raw vegetation and cold steel defines our philosophy, ensuring that every product remains as natural as it is scientifically advanced. Efficiency meets elegance in this controlled environment, where every variable is managed to produce a lipstick that is truly a masterpiece of manufacturing. Security and purity are our top priorities, ensuring that no external contaminants can interfere with the delicate process of natural pigment extraction we use. The second phase begins with the essence of flowers, as dried petals are transformed into a fine, silky powder that holds the secret of color. This ultra-fine grinding process ensures that the natural pigments will be evenly distributed, providing a smooth and consistent application for the final product. Every gram matters, as we carefully balance different herbal roots to achieve the perfect shade of crimson that defines our signature premium lipstick line. Using cold, solvent extraction, we preserve the vital nutrients and vibrant hues of the plants without using harsh chemicals that could damage the skin. Watch as the raw spirit of the plant is captured in a single drop, concentrated and pure, ready to be infused into our luxurious formula. The visual richness of these natural pigments is unparalleled, offering a depth of color that synthetic alternatives simply cannot match in any light condition. To ensure absolute clarity, the extract is spun at incredible speeds, separating the pure color from any remaining plant fibers or unwanted sediment. Quality control is rigorous as we examine the purity of our extracts to guarantee that only the highest quality pigments move to the next stage. Our palette is sourced entirely from the earth, using ingredients like hibiscus and turmeric to create a wide spectrum of breathtakingly beautiful natural shades. Automation ensures that the mixing process is perfectly timed, allowing the pigments to fully bond with the natural carrier oils for a long-lasting finish. The extraction process is a delicate dance of chemistry, where temperature and time are carefully managed to extract the most vibrant color possible. We filter out everything but the purest essence, ensuring that our lipsticks are free from any irritants, making them safe for even the most sensitive. Using advanced spectroscopy, we confirm that every batch meets our exact color standards, so your favorite shade is always perfectly consistent and beautiful. These vials of liquid gold and ruby represent hours of hard work and the pinnacle of natural color technology within our modern production facility. Data-driven and nature-inspired, our process ensures that we remain at the forefront of the green beauty revolution, delivering excellence in every single Thoi sun. Now we enter the blending phase, where pure white beeswax melts into a liquid base, providing the structure and protection your lips deserve. Rich marula and jojoba oils are added to the mix, infusing the formula with deep hydration and a luxurious, silky texture that glides on easily. The heating process is strictly controlled at 75 degrees Celsius, the perfect temperature to allow the waxes and oils to bond without degrading. This is the moment of transformation, as our natural pigments meet the nourishing base, creating a vibrant explosion of color that is truly captivating. The mixing creates beautiful patterns as the color saturates every molecule of the base, ensuring a rich and even tone across the entire batch. Our high-speed nanomixing technology breaks down the pigments to a microscopic level, resulting in a texture that is incredibly smooth and light on lips. Monitoring the heat with laser precision is crucial, as even a slight variation could affect the final consistency and durability of the herbal lipstick. As the mixture thickens, it takes on a professional, high-gloss finish, indicating that the ingredients are perfectly emulsified and ready for the next step. We add natural vitamin E to enhance the shelf life and provide antioxidant benefits, keeping your lips healthy and protected from environmental stress factors. The resulting texture is creamy and rich, a testament to the high-quality ingredients and the careful process we follow in our modern lab facility. A light, natural scent of herbal extracts fills the air, replacing the heavy artificial fragrances found in common commercial lipsticks with nature's own perfume. Our automated systems manage every aspect of the blending process, from pressure to rotation speed, to maintain a perfect standard of excellence throughout. The brilliance of the color is now fully realized, ready to be shaped into the iconic form that millions of women have come to love. Every batch is tested for its physical properties, ensuring it meets our strict criteria for glide, coverage, and most importantly, the comfort of the wearer. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Between every batch, our systems undergo a rigorous cleaning cycle to ensure the purity of the next color we create. We move to the molding phase, where high-precision metal forms wait to give our herbal mixture its final, elegant shape on the production line. Our automated filling system injects the warm liquid with incredible accuracy, ensuring each mold is filled to the exact volume for a perfect product. The liquid levels out perfectly within the molds, a result of the optimized viscosity we achieved during the careful heating and mixing stages earlier. The cooling process begins instantly as the molds enter a nitrogen-cooled chamber, where freezing temperatures begin to solidify the lipstick into its final form. Rapid cooling is essential to prevent the formation of air bubbles, ensuring the internal structure of the lipstick is dense, strong, and completely flawless. This cold molding technology is a hallmark of our factory, using the power of liquid nitrogen to lock in the color and the smooth texture. As they emerge, the liquid has transformed into a solid bullet, ready to be revealed and inspected by our high-definition optical scanning systems. The release is gentle yet firm, as the polished metal molds allow the new lipsticks to slide out without a single scratch or imperfection on them. Look at that perfect teardrop shape, designed to follow the natural curves of your lips for a precise application every time you use it. Human eyes still play a role, as our specialists inspect the surface of each bullet to ensure it meets our uncompromising standards for visual perfection. Handling must be incredibly delicate. Our robots use soft touch technology to move the lipsticks without leaving a mark on their pristine, velvety surfaces. At -40 degrees, the science of cryogenics helps us achieve a level of structural integrity that ensures your lipstick never breaks during normal use. Whether it's a soft nude or a bold crimson, every shade undergoes the same rigorous cooling process to maintain the highest quality across our entire collection. The smoothness is almost reflective, a sign of a perfectly balanced formula that has been cooled at the exact right speed for optimal results. We also perform stress tests, ensuring the lipsticks can withstand different climates and environments without melting or losing their beautiful color and texture. By studying the fluid dynamics of our mixture, we constantly refine the filling process to eliminate even the smallest possibility of internal air gaps. Every mold is cleaned and sanitized with ultraviolet light after each use, maintaining the sterile environment that is required for premium, organic cosmetic production. The marriage of the lipstick and its base is a moment of precision, as they are joined together with a firm, satisfying click of quality. A river of color flows toward the finish line, representing the collective effort of our scientists and the advanced technology within this incredible facility. Welcome to the final assembly, where our high-performance robots handle the elegant rose gold casings that will house our precious herbal lipstick formula. The mechanism is tested for smoothness, ensuring that every twist is effortless and the lipstick retracts perfectly into its protective metal home every time. Precision laser engraving adds the final touch of luxury, etching our brand's seal of quality onto the metal surface with incredible detail and speed. This permanent mark is our promise to you, a guarantee that you are holding a genuine product of the Green Lab Precision Factory's expert craftsmanship. The caps are snapped into place with rhythmic precision, sealing the freshness and protecting the natural ingredients from the outside world until they reach you. Every single unit is tracked and verified by our digital inventory system, ensuring total traceability from the raw petal to the finished packaged product. Our packaging is as eco-friendly as our formula, using sustainable materials that reflect our commitment to the planet while maintaining a high-end premium feel. Final layer of protection is applied, sealing the box and ensuring that you are the very first person to touch the product inside it. The speed and efficiency of our packaging line allow us to bring these fresh, natural products to beauty lovers all around the world without delay. Even at the very end, we perform random spot checks to maintain our perfect record of quality and to ensure total customer satisfaction every time. The branding speaks of elegance and the power of nature, a clear signal of the premium experience that awaits inside every single one of our boxes. Automation handles the heavy lifting, organizing our masterpieces for their journey from our NextGen of color to the palms of your hands. We verify every detail, even the weight of the shipping pallets, to ensure that our logistics are as precise and efficient as our laboratory research. There is a sense of pride in every shipment, knowing that we are sending out a product that is safe, natural, and incredibly high-performing for users. The doors, open to the world, ready to share the results of 48 hours of intense, high-tech herbal craftsmanship with you and everyone else. Look at the incredible pigment payoff. Just one swipe delivers a rich, vibrant color that feels like silk on the skin, thanks to our formula. The final result is a masterpiece on your lips, combining the power of ancient herbs with the precision of modern science for a perfect look. Our 48-hour journey ends here. A green masterpiece is ready for you. NextGen Factory, where we bring precision to the world of beauty.